Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm here in my studio. I just received this case this week for the Avata 360. So I'm really interested in keeping track with all of the different cases and different accessories that are coming out for this specific drone. I think a lot of you guys who are getting the Fly More combo are going to be happy for the most part with the included shoulder bag. But if you're looking for something that's slightly upgraded and offers more features, I think things like this bag that you guys see here from our friends over at StartRC could be an option for you. So let's take a close look at the bag itself. It is made of a very pristine material, really nice indentation here, very stylish. It does have double zippers. So you have double zippers on this, which goes all the way around to the front here, as you guys see. Now it has a really nice integrated handle that is also adjustable. So you can actually, pull this up and down. It's got some springiness to it, which is really nice. I don't know how well you guys can see the accents on here, but it's got a really nice chromed accent on here as well. I like that about it. So as we open this up, let's start here at the very top. You guys can see we have some really nice meshed pocket area here. This is going to allow you to store a lot of your, accessories like your spare propellers, screwdrivers, manuals, cables, even things, it won't fit probably a landing pad, but you could probably, use it for a lot of the other accessories you normally carry, okay? Now, when you look at the main compartment, that's where this really shines, okay? Now, this does come with the shoulder strap. This is the real cool ones. I've shown you guys these style shoulder straps before, but it has the clips that clip on to the side of the bag. And if you look here on either side of the bag, guys, you can see where the little ring hook is right here, that you can easily attach that, which is really nice. So when you're looking at the bag, this bag is ideally designed for your goggles or for the variation of the Avata 360 with the goggles. So the goggles are going to fit in like that, no problem. If you have the Motion 3 controller, that's going to go in here. Now I do have this little lanyard on here, so I got to make room for that. But for the most part, this fits in here perfectly. Now this material is, preformed, so you don't have to worry about that. I like that about this. Each one of these cases I've looked at in the past, this is one of my favorite features of this, is that it's already preformed for a lot of different accessories. So again, the drone is going to easily fit in here, but you also have a section here where you can place your batteries. So if, like myself, you receive the Fly More combo, you'll be able to put your batteries in here like so. And then you still have other, space for other accessories, but then your drone fits perfectly in this bag, which is so cool. And like I said, you can throw a few other things in here. I carry action cameras. I carry a number of other things with me when I go out to do a shoot, and having this extra space underneath the drone that's not going to interfere with anything that's in the case, I think is going to be a win. So you guys kind of see, or you can see here how this looks. So when we close this, perfect, right? Now, one of the things that they say is that this is waterproof or water resistant. Well, that's great, because we definitely get to test that today, because it is raining here at my home. So we're going to take this guy out, and you guys can see I have all my gear inside here, but we're going to take this out to the backyard and see how well it does in the rain, if the water wicking is true. So let's do it. Let's do it. So let me grab this camera. I'm going to pop it off real quick here. We're going to take this bag outside and see how well it does in the rain. Now I can tell you guys right now, it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy or clunky or anything like that while I'm carrying it, which is really nice. And this handle, again, very, very well built. All right, so let's go outside. As you can see, I'm getting some weather. This is handling a few raindrops. You know, you're not going to submerge this underwater or anything like that, but it seems to be able to handle it with no problem. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. All right, so let's bring it over here. As you guys can see, the water wicks off really nicely. And obviously, all of my gear is in there. No moisture got inside. So I think this is a good example of what this case is designed to be able to do. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this pretty cool little case from STARTRC. Hopefully this video has been helpful, if nothing else, entertaining. And I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.